Pandan Island sa Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro. Actually, this is my first time to try vlogging using the GoPro Hero 10 I just purchased. I'm shooting raw, in auto mode, no filters, no pro mist, just the GoPro and no microphones. I just want to test how it will perform or how it will look like if you're using it for vlogging. And I think I don't actually, I really don't know how good is the quality of it. Maybe I'll just check after I edit it. And I'm just enjoying the last hour of the sunset, and we're off for a little drink and dinner. So this island is so relaxing, ang ganda dito, and wala masyadong tao. I don't know, siguro because it is Friday today, and yeah, ahon na muna ako. And if you want to go here, you can visit their website and check. It is located in Sablayan, San Jose Occidental.